How to activate call forwarding on your Android phone. Here's how to set it up, step by step. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap the search bar at the top. Search for Call Forwarding. From the search results, tap Call Forwarding Settings. Now choose the SIM card you want to use for call forwarding. Wait a few seconds for the call forwarding options to load. You'll see 4 options: always forward, when busy, when unanswered, and when unreachable. Choose the option you prefer. Now enter the phone number where you want to forward your calls. Tap Turn On. Wait a few seconds for the settings to apply. Once the settings are applied, your call forwarding will be active. That's it. That's how you can activate call forwarding on your Android phone and forward calls to another number. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.